Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I prepared this delicious tomato light soup. Keep on watching to see how I did it. Yeah, I have some chili peppers, half an onion, 3 bouillon cubes, 3 garlic cloves, some cumin seeds, and a thumb-sized ginger. I'll go ahead to blend them up to form a paste, which I'll be using to marinate the meat and the fish for this recipe. I'm done blending. I'll use half the paste to marinate the fish and save the remaining half for the meat. For this recipe, I'm using salmon, fish, and chicken for protein. Yeah, I'm coating the fish with the paste, making sure the paste gets every part of the fish. So I'm done with the fish. I will let it sit and marinate till I'm ready to use it. Then I added the remaining paste to the chicken and I mixed very well to ensure every piece of the chicken is coated with the paste. And I let the meat marinate for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I went ahead to cook the chicken till tender. So my chicken is all done, it's well cooked. I poured in some warm water to cover up the chicken and to cut down on cooking time. Add in the tomatoes, peppers, the remaining half onion, and I cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes, everything is all nice and cooked. So I'll go ahead to pick the peppers, the onions, the tomatoes, pick everything out of the pot and into my blender. And I add a thumb-sized ginger to give the blend some freshness, and I went ahead to blend. After blending, I added the blended paste to the boiling pot and I started to mix everything together. Add in the salmon fish. If you've watched up to this point, I'm sure you're loving this video. Please take some seconds to support this channel. Give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Add a tablespoon of seasoning powder, a tablespoon of salt, some cinnamon powder, some black pepper, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add in my bouillon cubes and I cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I add in some fresh parsley for flavor and for color. I give my soup a slight stir, very careful not to break my fish, and I cover and let it simmer on low heat for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I give my soup a slight stir and our tomato light soup is ready. Look at this deliciousness. This soup was super tasty and delicious. You can enjoy it with a plate of white rice, noodles, yam, plantain, and with any swallow of your choice. This meal was delicious and I enjoyed every bit of it. You can go ahead to try it out.